What's up, not a car guy here, and today I will be installing an LED upgrade kit on my Raxiom dual halo projector headlights on my 2004 Ford Mustang GT, so let's get to it! At least that's what I planned on doing until this happened. The LED kit that I ordered from American Muscle didn't actually clear the back, so I couldn't actually seal up the headlight. So I meticulously looked at what I could be doing wrong. I watched the American Muscle install video about a bajillion times and came to the conclusion that it don't fit. And if it don't fit, you must quit. In the American Muscle install video, they conveniently cut away every time the tech tries to put the back on and then switch back to a shot where it magically fits. Hooray!
Hooray! Question mark?
So obviously I thought about scrapping this video, but I thought there might be a couple lessons to learn anyways and that it might be helpful to you. And if it is, give me a like and a subscribe because that makes me happy. Lesson number 1. When you buy something like this, don't wait a few months before you get around to installing it because these LED lights are past the return period, and so now I have these a great looking package that I have nothing to do with. I don't have a heart to throw it away, but also I can't even sell it because I don't know what headlights they go to. Lesson number 2. If you check the link in the description, you will find that in the pictures, they don't actually show you what you're getting. They just show a bunch of bright headlights, but they don't show you the bulbs or the transformers or anything that come in the package. They don't show you the box. However, what I did receive looked like what was in the install video, but they don't fit, and I had no way to confirm that what I got was exactly what I ordered in the picture. So in future reference, if you spot that and you see a product that doesn't really show the product that you're getting out of the box, then I would probably stay away from that. Also, there are some confusing things surrounding these headlights in this upgrade kit. Confusing thing number 1, the title of this item of the Raxiom headlights, when you go to buy them, is Raxiom Dual LED Halo Projector Headlights with black housing, smoked lenses. If they're already LEDs, why do I need an LED upgrade kit? Well, the only thing that are actually LEDs on these headlights are the blue halos that surround the halogen H7 bulbs. Halogen bulbs are basically what you find in most modern vehicles. Confusing thing number 2, this upgrade kit is made by Axial for Raxiom. Axial is a brand and so is Raxiom, so Axial made an aftermarket product for Raxiom's aftermarket product. That's kind of confusing, especially when I tried to find out who the heck is Axial. They don't have a website. If you go to their Instagram at Axial Lights, you'll find, a pretty standard feed, but the link in their description just goes back to the American Muscle site, which would lead me to believe that it is an exclusive American Muscle brand that they've just kind of, white labeled some other product. Because when I actually got the product, what you find is a box that says Raxiom on it. There is no mention of Axial on this box, so it's a little strange. I don't know what's going on with Axial, but I don't like it, and I would probably stray away from buying Axial lights unless you have a good experience with them, but it seems like Raxiom is the more sure way to go, especially since you really don't know what you're going to get if you get Axial. I don't know if they white label some other products or what, but I did not have a good experience with these because it don't fit! So I tried to make the most of this failed video, and I hope that you learned something, or at least you can avoid making the same mistakes that I did. Thanks for watching. I'm not a car guy, but I will be. Giddy up!